Hello! Welcome to iMyself channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable macOS Big Sur install drive. It's easy. I will walk you through the whole steps. You can use the install drive to reinstall macOS Big Sur or use it to boot up a Mac that is not booting up. Then I will show you how to use this bootable drive to boot up a regular Intel Mac, a T2 secure Mac, and an M1 Mac. If you're interested, keep watching. Before we get started, I want you to make sure, first, you have a few hours free time because the whole process can be very time consuming, depending on a lot of factors. The second, you have an empty thumb drive, hard drive, or an SD card with a card reader with at least 16 gigabytes capacity. Then you have to make sure it doesn't contain any important files because all those important files will be deleted during the whole process. I'm going to use an SD card to create a bootable drive. If you are going to do the same, I recommend you have an SD card reader like this. See, it has a Type-C connector and a USB 3.0 connector. It will be very handy because some computers may have Type-C or Thunderbolt ports and other computers may have the USB 3.0 ports. I love this. Then I just put my SD card into this card reader, just like this. The third, you have to make sure you have another healthy computer that can boot up to the desktop if your own computer can't boot up. The whole process will have 7 steps in total. The first step is to download macOS installer. You just open App Store, then search for Big Sur, then view, then hit the get. It will start to download. Just click download. It will take a while to download the macOS installer. It took me almost an hour to finish downloading. It may take you less time depending on the internet speed, but just be patient. I'm going to speed up this video by a lot, just not let you wait the whole time. And you have to make sure your monitor is on and your Mac is charged and the internet is stable the whole time, because you definitely don't want to do it all over again because your Mac is suddenly shut down or the internet connection is lost. And don't click continue, just go back to the menu bar at the top to quit install macOS Big Sur because you don't want to install macOS Big Sur on this computer. The second step is to erase your external drive. You can easily do it in Disk Utility. I will show you how to do it. First, connect your external drive to your Mac. After it's mounted on the desktop, just open Disk Utility, then find your disk. I already formatted this drive to macOS Extended Journal, but I will show you how to do it. Again, just click erase, then name it, then choose the format as macOS Journal, then click erase. The step 3 is to find the createinstallmedia file. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Open Finder, then go to Applications folder, then just find the Install macOS Big Sur file here, just right click it, Show Package Contents. Open up the Contents folder, then open up a Resource folder, then find the createinstallmedia file right here. Then just leave the window right here. The step 4 is to use Terminal to create a bootable drive. Open Terminal through the Launchpad, the other folder, then Terminal. I'm going to open this up. Sudo sudo space, then drag this folder here. It will copy the path of this file. Then click space, then dash volume space / volumes, the capital V here, and / the disk name. My disk name is Soft. Then just hit. Then just press Enter key. Then you will be asked to input your admin password. Just put your password there. No letters or numbers will show up. It's alright. Then press enter to confirm the password. It will say to continue, we need to erase the value at blah blah blah. If you wish to continue, type Y, then press return. Okay. Now I'm going to press the Y key, then press return. It will take a couple minutes to finish the whole process. You just need to be patient and wait until the process is done. After you see the information of the macOS install drive now available, you can just close out the terminal. After you close out the terminal, you open your Finder. Then you can see under locations, the name of my disk has changed to install macOS Big Sur. It means the macOS Big Sur install disk is successfully created. The next step is to modify the secure boot settings on the target Mac. If your Mac has a T2 security chip or M1 chip, by default it doesn't allow the Mac to boot up from external device. Check the list here to see if your Mac has a T2 security chip, and check the list here to see if your Mac has an M1 chip. If your Mac doesn't have any security chip or M1 chip, it's just a regular Intel Mac, you can skip this step. I'm going to show you how to modify the secure boot settings on your target Mac. First, open up a T2 secure Mac by press down Command and R keys together. Keep holding for another 5 more seconds. Then release the keys until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait until the Mac boot into the macOS recovery mode. It will take longer than usual to boot up, and you can see the loading bar is loading very slow. After the Mac is booted into macOS recovery, you just click the utilities at the top menu bar, and then select the Startup Security utility. Then you need to authentication. You need to click the Enter macOS password, then put your password down, hit the press, then press the return key. Then you have to keep your Startup Security utility look exactly like this. You have to change the secure boot section from full security to medium security, and in the allowed boot media section, just change from the first option to the second option to allow booting from external or removable media. Then you just close out the Startup Security utility, then just restart your computer or just shut down your computer. The step 6 is to boot from external USB install drive. You need to connect the USB install drive you just created to this Mac. Then open up the Mac to load it. Then press down Option keys. Hold it until you see this on your screen. I have a Windows bootcap partition, so you see the macOS hard drive there, Windows partition, and another one, install macOS Big Sur. Then you just need to click this to install macOS Big Sur on your Mac. Press return. Just be patient and wait for the macOS Big Sur to be booted up. Then the computer will boot into macOS recovery again. Then you can just click here and click continue, then follow the on-screen wizard to install macOS Big Sur on your computer. The last step is to restart, refresh. The installation of macOS will take a long while again, just be patient. Your macOS will start from scratch by selecting a region and language. After macOS is successfully installed on your Mac, you are free to force to inject the install disk from the computer. A bootable disk is very useful, and you can use this method to create a macOS Mojave install disk or to create macOS Catalina install disk. It will work the same. If this video helps you, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here, I will upload a lot more videos very soon. I will see you. Thanks for watching.